I am a stone trapped in a concrete balloon. This body is a potent dungeon to lock this havoc in. My skin is a voodooed cave where my breaking breath takes refuge. From this capricious world where brutes man cast binding spells on just man. This entity is not just man, it's a bomb with no wires. My kind are destined for explosions. There's no hope to be disarmed, but the bomb lives inside me. Can a bomb fall in love? How do I keep my beloved in safe proximity? Bombs and heat have never ended romantically, you oblivious child. I find it hard to believe my father in his absence. Explosions with no origins are immutable. No hope to mute the spreading eternal mutiny of trauma and grief, inadequacy and miniature bliss, mimicking masculinity with feminine doctrines. My room is a nest where corpse-like memories are cocooned in forged photographs. How do I digest my feminist presence when I'm still yearning for a man who was sucked by a black hole? The city of Johannesburg is a succubus. How do I strip myself of his resemblance? I find mirrors far. They remind me of my barrenness for a father's presence. I am a young man growing towards breaking my father's genes. Their knees are tough to tear with these hollow hands. With every stretch of age, my identity is fracturing. An infernal, ill-fated continuance. Explosion is nigh, my yearning yawning. For how long are you going to eat from the inside, you foul beast, my father, the cowardice giant who was sucked by female pirates, dare not swim on these accursed waters, child. The family seas are a treacherous place. There are no treasures to be found in these islands, only decayed bodies of drowned children drowning from their parents' neglect, drowning from being unsure of who they are, on how capable their lungs are, washed to shore bare, then broken to completion. A young boy was found dead at the beach today. There were remains of wrecked memories found in his swollen chest. There were aged holes in his jeans. That's how the water got in. That young boy is me. Bomkosi is my father's name. Translated, thank the Lord. So I thank the Lord for my faith too. Amen.